was day 2 of the mega showdown between farmers and the police in the national capital today. Massive clashes erupted between farmers and police as they were allowed to enter Delhi. The Narendra Modi government has invited farmers for talks and appealed to them to halt their protests.
High-octane face-off on the highways. Borders sealed, barricades broken. Angry farmers are protesting against the centre's new farm laws that pave the way for private players in farm trade. Their call is Delhi Chalo. The farmers were halted at the Sindhu border where they came face to face with the police.
किसानों और पुलिस में एक बार फिर से टकराव हुआ है। आप देख सकते हैं कि जो पुलिस ने बैरिकेडिंग की थी उसके पास तक काफी तादाद में किसान यहां पर आ गए थे और पुलिस ने उनको पीछे हटाने के लिए टीयर गैस छोड़ी है। एक बार फिर से आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े हैं और यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं कि जो बैरिकेडिंग थी वो भी यहां से हटा दी गई है और ये किसान बिल्कुल पुलिस के पास में पहुंच गए हैं।
Police fired tear gas and water cannons to control the marching farmers.
The farmers have retreated to some extent and they are still standing there, but they are opposing the tear gas shelling that the police has resorted to now. Almost 12 rounds of tear gas shells fired here right now, and that is what has contained the crowd at this point of time.
The protest was not just limited to Haryana and Punjab. They have now spread to Uttar Pradesh. Farmers have hit the highway from Meerut heading to Delhi.
Protesting farmers are on roads everywhere, and even in western UP, which is considered as one of the stronghold of farmers, the farmers are on roads here as well. I can show you how the tractors are standing on the road. This is a national highway which connects Muzaffarnagar to Meerut and then to Delhi. This highway has been blocked right now.
Delhi police have denied the farmers the permission to protest. They have urged the state government to turn the 9 stadiums in the capital into jails. But the Arvind Kejriwal government has rejected police's demands and defended the farmers' right to protest. The Narendra Modi government has meanwhile offered fresh talks with farmers even as the Congress accused the government of ignoring farmers' concerns.
आंदोलन करना व्यक्ति का अधिकार तो है, लेकिन आंदोलन से ही रास्ता नहीं निकलता। हमेशा चर्चा और संवाद से रास्ता निकलता है। मेरे तरफ से किसानों को 3 दिसंबर का निमंत्रण गया है। अभी उस पर कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया है। जब किसान यूनियन को कोई रिस्पांस आएगा तो सरकार उस पर जरूर विचार करेगी।
Aren't farmers being attacked? Are they criminals? And what is the use of continuous conversations when the government has no intent to listen to them? Prime Minister must announce suspension of the 3 agrarian laws, constitute a committee headed by himself, call all the farmers' union, talk to them and resolve the matter. Simple.
The deal breaker for farmers is a lack of clarity on minimum support price. While the Modi government is assuring MSP will continue, farmers fear that the new laws spell death knell for the tried and tested MSP system. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.